Welcome to the Lux AI Tools channel. Can you believe this? With just a few lines of text, you can turn an idea in your head into a fully finished video. No editing skills, no fancy software needed. Just type in your idea and boom, done. And the best part? It's super easy to use. The video quality is great, and you can try it out 100% free if you follow the trick I'll show you in this video. All right, let's jump in. Alright, the tool I want to show you today is called Dreamina. It's linked with CapCut and lets you create AI-generated images or videos just from text, or even from a single photo. You can access it at https://dreamina.capcut.com. I've dropped the link below in the description so it's easy for you to click. Just sign up for a free account, and they'll give you 300 free credits every day. But here's the cool part. If you want unlimited access, just create a few extra Gmail accounts. Dreamina is super fast, unlike Kling AI or other video generators that are slow on free plans. Even if you make just 1 to 3 videos per Gmail account, you can generate a ton of content daily. Pretty awesome, right? By the way, I've been getting a ton of questions about Google Veo 3. And honestly, it's amazing. The videos it creates look fantastic, but here's the catch. There's a limit to how many videos you can make with it. Dreamina inside CapCut is a bit different. It's free, super fast, and the quality is surprisingly good too. And if you follow the little trick I'm sharing in this video, you can actually pump out a lot of videos every single day, way easier than with Veo 3. So, to be clear, Veo 3 is still world-class, no doubt about it. But Dreamina is definitely holding its own and is absolutely worth using right now for all the extra perks it brings. Now let's test how Dreamina turns images into videos. First, click on AI Video, upload your image, then type in a short description in the prompt box. There are 3 model options: Video 3.0 Pro, Video 3.0, and Video S 2.0 Pro. Video 3.0 Pro gives the best quality, but it costs 625 credits, so it's not available for free users. The other 2 models are more budget-friendly. Video 3.0 creates multiple scenes from a detailed prompt, 125 credits. Video S 2.0 Pro gives realistic motion and natural camera movement, and only costs 100 credits. This one's my go-to model. It's solid and credit-efficient. Heads up, the video frame ratio will match your uploaded image, and the default video length is 5 seconds. Once you're set, just hit Generate Video and wait a moment. Here's the result: super smooth and lifelike motion. If you're on a free account, there will be a watermark, but you can easily crop or zoom it out in CapCut, Filmora, or any basic video editor. Next, let's try making a video just from text. Type in a detailed prompt. The more specific, the better your results. I'm still using the S 2.0 Pro model and setting the aspect ratio to 16:9 to fit YouTube nicely. Once it's ready, hit Generate, and boom, you've got yourself an AI video. And that's a wrap. Dreamina is such a fun tool, whether you're a creator, designer, or just curious about AI. But if you're looking to make money with AI videos long-term, here's the combo I use for all my YouTube channels: ChatGPT plus VideoGen. I use ChatGPT to instantly write high-quality video scripts, then feed them into VideoGen to create full videos with voiceover, animations, and effects, all nearly automated. Why VideoGen? Because their media library is huge, constantly updated, and helps your videos stand out. Plus, it works like a charm. From there, I just upload consistently to YouTube, and boom, passive income from AI content. I actually made a full step-by-step tutorial on this, from A to Z, super easy to follow. I'll leave the link right below this video. Go check it out after this. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my weekly uploads. I always share the most practical and effective tools that actually work. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'm here to help. See you in the next video, and happy creating. Lux AI Tools, helping you grow smarter, faster, and richer with AI.